So not able to figure out about how to create a resume, how to create a cover letter. Uh, can somebody coach me about what I need to be prepared for my job interview, or what are the questions asked in job interview? And as a fresher or as a professional, each one of you is with this all doubts and stuck to solve these doubts. Whether you are at a fresher level or whether you are a professional with 20 years of experience, even if I ask that person that okay, tomorrow you have to go for interview, their palms become sweaty, they're completely sweaty. They really don't know what to do and how to go about it. Now I came across this really amazing tool, Click Resume. I'm still exploring the tool, but I thought about just to give you a preview about how the tool works and what all things it has. The most interesting feature I liked about the tool was it has ready resumes. I don't need to type anything. I just need to type the designation. It's a ready format. I just need to edit the parts. Really amazing. I'll just take you through. Here is our click resume. I'm trying out the free version. As you know, we all are pro. So I know that you have been looking out for free AI tools and how you can use AI for your job search. So first is LinkedIn import. So create a resume by quickly importing a LinkedIn profile. This is a bit interesting, but let's import from LinkedIn. So how do you LinkedIn? So this is how you'll go on your page, copy this, and then go on click. Okay, and then you say import. In a few seconds, you will get a brand new resume created from your imported data. Let's watch this. And you can still edit it. So, work experience, everything is over there. They have created a pull your LinkedIn profile and created this particular resume. Now, what happens is guides. So professional resume summary guides, education on resume, work experience, how you need to write it. All these are guides for you. Now let's explore other sections. So we are a resume analyst. Check your resume for errors and get tips. I hope this is a free. Okay, it is analyzing. So this is LinkedIn. It says it's terrible. Okay, upgrade to premium to get more in-depth resume feedback. We are looking for free version. Mm-mm-mm. We can use some other tool for this purpose. So mobile app is again paid browser extension to write cover letters. Now if I scroll down, you'll have new resume with AI. Okay, let's explore this. Oh, so there's a chat. Let's type. What is your name? My name is Moses Gomes. Okay, nice to meet you. Tell me what's your most recent title. It is head of team. So okay, here comes the best part. It gives me three templates. Let me select this template. So I bought that work, and what we have over here is let's preview this. So you have your resume. I can here edit this section, strength section. So it's a ready to use. These are the keywords. That is what somebody is looking for. Now I can always go back, click here, and I can edit the section. So title before, right, Mr. and first name is Moses, second name is Gomes, phone number, my address is over here. There comes, so I can edit, so use a AI writer, rewrite this section. Experience marketing leader with a proven track record driving marketing results. I'm eager to tackle. Control Z. Okay, and then work experience. It says company name, and it is Mumbai. It is 2019 April. uh, March. I currently work here. Okay, AI writer, rewrite section. Freak out. Gives me freak out, yeah. Let's try something else. Okay, generate content. Oh, skills, trends. I think we need to. It's not so costly, but still, I think we can try it. It's a 330 for a year. You can at least create two, three resume. That's it. Now, the resume section is done. Okay, let's go on. And this is a bit paid, but still, it is 73. Not great, not terrible. Keep going. So I am somewhere at light green. I can improvise still. I need to reduce it. So this is one. But if I want to get feedback, then this is the problem. Job interview. Now, job interview title: Chief of Marketing. Generate. Hmm, let's see what questions we are going to get over here. Okay, can you discuss the most successful marketing campaign you led in your current role as head of marketing at Documental Technologies Private Limited? The market I led at Documental was the implementation of comprehensive digital marketing strategy that included SEO, SCM. This campaign led to increase in 30% increase in sales within the first year, showcasing very evaluate. So based on my entire profile and what I've created, it has given me questions and answer. Yes, your job interview click resume with premium, you get access to all 10 questions. That's really interesting. So recruit optimize your resume. Click GPT for recruiter feedback. Our AI recruiter will help you pinpoint your resume weak points and reinforce. Only works in English. Again, this is paid. So career coach. What is a career coach by the way? Generate. Let's see. So it says okay paid. So it is around 820 per month, and you get 40 professional resume templates, 40 matching cover letter templates automatically, 7 personal website templates, full customization options. So I can create my own website. That's the best part, and you can control it by mobile app, AI resume and cover letter writer. This is pretty awesome tool. Like we have seen a lot of tools at 820 bucks per month. I think you cannot get more than this. It even gives you a customized website based on your profile. You also have proofreaders. So if you, but proofreader is an additional charge of 2,400 per resume. Let's go to our this thing. Okay, you have resignation letters generator, new resignation letter. You have cover letter generators. You also have examples over here. So these are cover letters, templates, software engineering. These are different templates that are available. You can use any templates. Then, so over here we have a lot of products, resume guides, cover letter guides. Okay, iOS app. Trustpilot rating is good enough, 4.5 for 1,395 reviews. App Store is good review. Pretty good tool. And I think as a job seeker, where if you are a fresher, I think you need to invest. It's not so great amount of money for per month. It is around 820. If you invest those 820 to 1,000 bucks for 2 months at least, you will get a good resume. You get your resume analysis. You can practice interviews. It's all in one. We have gone across different tools, but different tools have different facilities, so you'll end up combining those two three tools. This is one tool that gives you everything, except you need to connect with apply jobs that we spoke about earlier, which co-pilots to apply jobs and everything. So coming back to again click resume, as per my analysis about this is I think the 10th tool that I am reviewing about using AI for your job search. And the things which I liked about click resume is the direct generator for resume. They give you 40 resume templates, they give you website templates also, which is much better than compared to any other website. They can give you practice questions along with answers which is related to your job profile. So you upload your resume and based on that they create give you okay, what is the best answer. Now, although this is good to for you to practice, for you to learn, you can use that another tool Resi AI, where you can practice in giving interviews like the way I am talking to you. You can practice via natural language processing. Over here they will give you okay, what should be the answer. And then the another part is career coach. You have a facility for career coach over there. Unless you try it out, you really don't know who is the career coach and how they can help you. Although there are a lot of my friends are doing career coaching, but using an AI for career coaching is something I haven't explored. Although it's a paid feature over here, but for at 20 bucks, I think you get 40 odd resumes with 40 odd cover letters. That's not a bad deal. I hope you'll love it, and do check out and do let me know about how you felt about it. I am Moses here, your career coach, and my whole target is how I can help you to get you 20 interviews in next 60 days, and that will lead you to get a job in next 60 days. See you there.